What's up guys, it's Jordan again. So the last few days has been pretty cold and our solar shower unfortunately didn't work because there was no sun. So you know, the water was cold, but that's our camp shower. And we have a tent. I think previously I uploaded a video about how we shower on the outdoors. So for the last 2 days the weather was really cold. No sun at all, just clouds. Kind of like how today is. So without the sun, we don't have hot water and it's super cold here in New Zealand. Like, I don't know, 20 degrees at night. It's hard to shower with water that's like mild cold or not even mild cold, but like super cold. And so now we're at the swimming pool and we had to pay for a shower, like $3 each to have a hot shower. So when we went in, the lady was like, oh, here's a shower, but it's outdoor, so you have to put on something. Does it make sense to you? A part of me was like, no, it doesn't make sense to shower with clothing on. But we don't really have a choice. So, while she is changing, I'm just gonna sit here and wait until she's done getting into her bathing suit and then we can go shower. But today's gonna be really fun though. Like our co-workers that we work at in the packing house, they are from Malaysia, and we're gonna have a good steamboat today, and we're gonna go pack and save once again. I love pack and save. So see you guys later.